What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's December 23rd, 2021, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin reversing right now, or is it just a fake out? Well, I got some charts, some tweets, some on-chain charts, a couple articles, and just a couple things I want to go over, just showing about Bitcoin and its uptrend that we're having today. Stick around, guys. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you guys are all doing great today. I sure am. The market's green. But before we begin our market overview, I want you to smash that NGMI button. Not going to make it. Yeah, maybe we are going to make it. Who knows? But again, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Really appreciate it. The least you guys can do to help support the channel. All right, so like I said, market's doing pretty well, guys. We're up 4% the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's finally above 50K. We're at $50,638. Up 4.08%. We got Ethereum's up 2.64%, sitting at about $4,094. We got Binance Coin up 3.47%. We got Solana's up 6.35%. And Cardano crushing it today, up 10.56%, sitting at $1.47. Wearing my hat just for that reason. So props to all the Cardano holders, all of you guys out there. Cardano holders, can't talk today. But yeah, love seeing that. All right, top gainers the last 24 hours. We got the Sandbox, up 24.27%, sitting at $6.28. Aave's up 18.47%. Phantom's up 18%. Cody's up 17.55%. But like I said, overall, market's looking pretty good right now. It's good to see. Losers, though, we did have some. Helium down 6.65%, sitting at $38.96. We got Decentralized Social down 3.91%, sitting at $89.17. And a couple other things that are down, not too much, but like I said, overall, market's looking pretty good today. What is today? Some of the holidays for today, December 23rd, it's Festivus Kisan Diwas. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. We got National Christmas Movie Marathon Day, National Vernusier, I don't even know what that is. Some type of, looks like a cookie or something. And National Roots Day. So there you have it for your December 23rd holidays. Jumping on over to Crypto Bubbles. Let's jump into the top 100. Everything's green, looking good. What's this? Toncoin? I've never heard of that one, guys, but it is up 46% on the day, sitting at $3.51. It's interesting to see. Yeah, everything's looking good right now. Love seeing it. Favorites, some of my favorite coins. We got Mana's up 11.1%. Sandbox doing well. VGX is crushing it, up 5.4%. Sitting at $3.13. Yep, $3.13. Got Uniswap's up. Cardano's up 10.3% on the day. CKB's up 7.7%. Love seeing that. And Stormax up 6.6%. So you guys have it for Crypto Bubbles. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, though, even though we're up a little bit today, it's still trading sideways on the macro perspective of things, sitting at about 40.51. Total crypto market cap, we're still going up, man. I love seeing that. We've broken that reversal since the 17th of December. We're still on that uptrend, so that's good to see. Man, it looks like if we break this, we might be going back up to about 2.6 trillion for the total crypto market cap. So good to see the overall health of the market. Everything's going up. We love seeing that. Fear and Greed Index. Currently, we're at a 34. It is going to update in about 14 minutes, so probably not by the end of this video, but definitely expecting us to be probably at about like a 44. It's going to be my guess. We're definitely heading more towards the neutral. We might be in fear, another day or so, but love seeing this, Crypto Fear and Greed Index. All right, so jumping into today's topic of discussion, guys. So Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin's going up. Love seeing it. And I do have some articles, a couple tweets and stuff I do want to go over. But first, we're going to talk about this article and some of the indicators that they talked about. So there's three things that we're seeing right now on the charts that are showing that Bitcoin's on a reversal. So they said after weeks of bearish price action, signs of the bottom reversal seem to be finally coming in. So basically, the low price, the relative strength index, the RSI, and the momentum indicator all printed consolidation patterns on the daily time frame that historically have led to breakout. So he's just got a chart here showing the momentum. It's been down, RSI been down, and then lastly, just the price in general, boom. So he circled all three of that. So obviously with all those three things being down, you can't keep going down forever. So, I mean, you can, but with Bitcoin, nothing lasts, going down forever. So finally, we're seeing an uptick. He said, this is what you want to see. Trying to buy low. If you're trying to buy low, there's no guarantee that the current price movements aren't just a fake out, but if you're bullish on Bitcoin from a technical perspective, there may not be a better opportunity to buy than right now. Not financial advice, guys, but looking at the charts and the technical analysis might be your last minute to buy some Bitcoin at this low price. All right, jumping on down the article, there was another thing. So looking at the bigger picture, on-chain data from the crypto market, Plan C, shows what long-term holders think about the current state of the market. So I did a video on this in one of my videos on the long-term holder NUPL, the net unrealized profit loss. So he said that the on-chain indicator for Bitcoin looks like bottom is forming. Long-term holders are ready for the next leg higher. You can see that since Bitcoin's initial resurrection from the summer bear cycle, long-term holder NUPL has bounced in a near perfect alignment with the Bitcoin price. You guys can see that there. The current NUPL levels are telling us that this time is probably no different. History repeats itself. So zooming out a bit further, we're going to look onto the next thing. We got Benjamin Cohen. Talked about him in some of my videos. He's big on Twitter, Bitcoin, but he's talking about the lengthening of the cycles. So every cycle that we've had in history, in Bitcoin's history, they get longer and longer and longer as time goes on. So like obviously cycle 1, it was real short, but we went up real fast, and then every cycle after that continues to get longer and going up. So this basically tells us that Bitcoin cycles are lengthening and experiencing diminishing returns. If we were to assume that the cycle should be no different than the rest, then we can expect to see further price appreciation well into 2022 before finding a top. And then here's a tweet just kind of showing days since the bottom, and then you got your ROI on the left side. So cycle 1 was our first that we had early on in Bitcoin days, where real fast in price movement, it was real short, went up. Cycle 2, excuse me, hiccups. And then we got cycle 3, the yellow line, and then cycle 4, what we're currently in. You can see how many days since the bottom it keeps extending out. So we're well over to, looks like we're at like 1,100 days for Bitcoin, and we have the low ROI. So it's still, if this chart keeps moving, if I could, lengthen this and show it, we'd be, man, we're still, got lots of room to grow, basically. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Jumping on over to TechDev, another big Bitcoin chart analyst. He says Bitcoin cycles continue to rhyme. So I'll blow this up real quick. So he looked at the last cycles that we've had, cycle 1, 2, and 3 with the Bitcoin halving, and he first talks about for every cycle, you got your first higher high, you're having front run, you got your local top, the pre-breakout, pullback, and the cycle top. So when you look at this cycle that we are currently in, you can see that the first higher high, was 2019, 2020, in between that. Then we had the halvening, front run here, the red circle, and then all of a sudden we have the local top that we had earlier this year. You can see like the RSI was at the top right there, and then after the local top, we had our pre-breakout pullback. We had the summer downtrend, and then where we're at currently today, cycle top. Looks like it's in between $100,000 and $300,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, history repeats itself. This is just data taking from Bitcoin's past and kind of applying it to today. But I thought this was real interesting. All right, next, I got 2 more on-chain indicators that I want to talk about, and it's the NVTS and the SSR signal, which all are showing a bullish reversal. So long story short, NVTS has fallen into the oversold area that has repeatedly acted as support in the SSR reading at its lowest ever level, indicating strong stablecoin buying power against Bitcoin. I'm not going to go through the whole article, but there are just 2 things I want to point out real quick. So there's the NVT signal, which is an equally old and effective on-chain indicator. It's proven particularly effective when it reached the oversold territory that has historically correlated with Bitcoin macro lows. So basically, Bitcoin's been oversold. That's, to keep it stupid simple right there. And, once you're oversold, you can't keep going oversold. Obviously, we got to come out of that, and that's where we're at. The second one is SSR, which measures the purchasing power of stablecoins against Bitcoin. It has reached an all-time low during this correction, and the purchasing power of stablecoins is approaching record highs. So this goes and talks about the NVTS reaching the oversold level. Right here, each of the three circles. So look, right here where we're currently at, whether it be a green circle, we're oversold. But after we've had those oversold, look at price action. Goes up, oversold. Most likely we're going to go up. And then next is the stablecoin buying power is increasing. I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but essentially we're at the bottom here. So the green uptrend line relates to Bitcoin price, which has been rising since March 2020 bottom. The red downtrend relates to the SSR, has been in place since July 2019. Importance of the green area, the chart is also highlighted by the analogous stablecoin buying power chart prepared on 2Chain analysts. And it keeps going on and on and on. Not going to go through the whole thing, but I thought that was pretty interesting that you got these two indicators on top of everything that I just previously went over, just showing that, Bitcoin probably is in a reversal right now. There's just the facts and data and history repeating itself to prove it. Again, I don't want to beat a dead horse, but I have been talking about looking at Bitcoin.com. Go check out the Bitcoin charts. You got your market cycle charts. And you also have your on-chain charts. Ton of Bitcoin data that, I've analyzed it in some of my videos. I've talked about it in detail, showing that we're nowhere near the top right now. But I just want to be very transparent with you guys, not just making this up. I'm not like those YouTubers that I was reading tweets today of people like, oh, don't listen to YouTubers. Yeah, don't listen to me. I'm just some guy. Just, this is all goes into doing your own research type of thing where, formulate your own opinion. You can listen to me. You don't have to listen to me, but then go check out like 5 other YouTubers or go look at the charts and the data. This is just what I'm doing, is pulling the data, analyzing it, presenting it to you guys. And I talked about this in many of my videos. So yeah, go check out this website if you guys are new to the channel and whatnot. Really good information to keep in your back pocket just to kind of see when we're going to top out. All right, so that's all I have for you guys for Bitcoin. I do want to mention real quick, in about actually 6 minutes, the public minting of Platydoodles goes into effect on here. And I believe it's 0.05 ETH is what the floor mint price is. So get ready for that here in the next 6 minutes. Just want to note that real quick. And then last, I found this tweet today, really good, by Pastry, this dude. And he said, earlier this month, Messari released an incredibly comprehensive 165-page research report highlighting key trends, companies, and projects to watch across the crypto landscape, including predictions for 2022. But go to my Twitter page and check this tweet out. This is like a super macro perspective of, where cryptocurrency is going and how it is relating to like the world and changing Web 3.0, metaverse, how institutional trust is collapsing. Half of millennials and Gen X's investors said it would take a miracle to retire. 70% of Americans disapprove Congress. Prediction, things will get worse before they get better as the real world. But it's a pretty long read, but valuable data. I bookmarked this, share with people that are, new to the crypto and whatnot. So go ahead and check out that tweet. Highly recommend that. Really good content right there. That's all I have for you guys today. I think I went a little bit longer today. 13 minutes. Yeah, not too bad. But yeah, go follow me on Twitter for my most recent updates, real time. If you guys want to, at crypto_airborne. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Smash that like button if you want to. Really helps out the channel and the algorithm. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be live on my channel tonight with 6fig Stock Trader, just doing some technical analysis, talking crypto at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you guys want to come hang out with that, have any requests, just let me know and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, have a great night. Talk to you later. Have a great holiday if I don't talk to you guys, whatever you guys celebrate. But probably pump out one more video tomorrow and then take a couple days off. So have a good one, guys. Really appreciate it.